as the Biden administration's controversial Title IX rules go into effect, many due process protections afforded under the Trump-era rules are being retracted. President Joe Biden's rules have been blocked by federal judges across the country, pausing their implementation in numerous states and hundreds of schools with more cases pending. But for far more states and schools, the rewritten rules go into effect August 1, and how schools approach handling sexual assault allegations will be dramatically changed. Most of the court cases and media coverage about Biden's Title IX rewrite has focused on how it changed the definition of sex to include claimed gender identities. The new rules also strip away many major due process protections for alleged Title IX violations on college campuses and diminish the presumption of innocence for the accused. The upcoming Title IX rules are set to return campuses to the old system, which was rife with examples of mistreatment of the accused and accusers. Under the Biden framework, a student can be found guilty of sexual assault without ever being able to see the full scope of evidence against them. Instead, the accused student would only have to be provided with a description of what the university considers relevant evidence, and the school can deliver that information orally as opposed to in writing. Despite the 2020 rules requiring the same high burden of proof for everyone, the Biden rules actually require a greater burden of proof when the accused is an employee than when the accused is a student, making it harder for faculty members to be found guilty of wrongdoing, but easier for students. Only days after the Biden administration finalized the ruling, a number of plaintiffs, including Alabama, Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina, filed a challenge arguing the Biden administration did not, quote, adequately consider the significant due process concerns of single investigator model, let alone how its interests militate the grave dangers of allowing a single person to investigate, prosecute, and convict.